My name is Peter Ntute. I'm the component manufacturing supervisor. We manufacture 85% of the components for our MV switchgear from locally sourced steel and copper suppliers.
My name is Shane Jones. I'm the ELDS department manager. Once production orders are received from planning, this is the green light for the team to start panel assembly.
My name is Dineo Mapaka. I'm the Production Development Specialist for ELDS. We pride ourselves on our dedicated wiremen and women who are able to work with wiring schematics in all formats as well as wiring schedules.
Once the switchgear is assembled and wired, the last stage is final test and factory acceptance testing. Our team consists of qualified electrical engineers and engineers in training. ABB is proud to include women in positions mostly dominated by men.
Hi, my name is Jan van Zyl. I'm engineering manufacturer for electrification solutions at ABB's Longmeadow manufacturing facility. ABB does in-house design and manufactures air-insulated primary switchgear up to 24 kV. All our products are fully type-tested solutions where customer safety comes first. Unigear ZS1 uses conventional current and voltage transformers. ABB has sold over 500,000 Unigear ZS1 panels globally. Unigear Digital uses sensor technology for measurement, billing and protection. One sensor covers all functions. These sensors also improve ease of installation. There's a small amount of downtime required to replace these components. The IEC 61850 communication protocol shares information between smart devices, reducing hardware required and also speeding up overall manufacturing time. Here we see our compact ZS9 switchgear. This range has a compact size and footprint. It has the same safety or interlocking features as Unigear ZS1, but at affordable cost.
My name is Andy Kuchlenberg. I am the e-house and packaging business development manager in the ELDS department. I take the lead when a customer needs a solution rather than products. Our e-houses are designed and engineered in ABB Longmeadow to meet Southern African standards and conditions. These include e-houses and skids that are designed according to international engineering guidelines and are approved by a structural engineer. Our mining customers have used e-houses and skids for many years to leverage on the benefits of a robust design. ABB prides itself on providing high-quality solutions for our customers.